How to find my Facebook Messenger link. Now if you want to find your Facebook Messenger link, what you can actually try to do is you can simply open up the Facebook Messenger app, and this is actually the kind of interface that you will see. Now from here, what you actually need to do is simply tap on the three lines option from the top left of the screen. Then just tap on the gear icon that you can find here. Now under the gear icon, you will see this interface which will take you to the settings. From here, if you look under profile, you'll find the option called username m.me. It stands for messenger.me/your username. This username is basically your link, so you can tap on copy link. So what happens is that next time whenever, let's say, anybody tries to click on that link, so let me just try to go to incognito, right? So if somebody tries to go to that link, what happens is it will redirect them to my particular Facebook page or somewhere like that. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.